Awakening by birth. If your parents were highly evolved, you can have an awakened Kundalini. It is also possible to be born with an awakened channels. This means that from the time of birth, your mind, your consciousness will be operating partially or fully. Suppose if child comes with partial or complete awakening, that person can do a lot of work which is very difficult for a normal person, and that person is considered to be a genius. And sometimes it is believed that the past lives plays a very important role in this kind of setting. If one is born with an completely awakened Kundalini, his experiences are very much under his control. Means he can do whatever he wants to do. He can create that circumstances. And they take place in him right from the beginning in a natural way. So he never feels that something extraordinary is happening to him, because he is always and already very much aware of these things. A child with an awakened Kundalini has a very clear clarity of visions and a very high quality of thinking, and that person is a deep thinker also. His attitude towards life is mostly positive, and he never becomes sad or depressed, and he is the master of detachment. He never considers anyone his friends or very close to him. He basically considered his parents like they were only his means of creation. Therefore, he is unable to accept the normal social relationship with them, even though he lives with them, but he feels that they were just a guest. This kind of child shows a very mature behavior since very young age, and he does not react emotionally to anything in life. Sometimes when he is with friends, his friends may say something due to immaturity, but this kind of person never reacts in an immature way. His emotional response is very much mature and grown. As he grows, he becomes aware of his mission and purpose in life. It is very difficult to convince people that this person has awakened Kundalini by birth, but this is possible if that person has done lots of things, good karma in the past life, or his parents are in that state where their Kundalini is completely awakened. So in these situations, a person can have awakened Kundalini since the starting of his birth, and this is very important to understand that these things are possible. Thank you.